Marang, Artocarpus odoratissimus, is a tropical fruit native to Borneo and the Philippines, celebrated for its strong, sweet aroma, creamy texture, and unique segmented pulp. Known as the aromatic breadfruit, marang combines botanical intrigue, cultural significance, and exotic culinary appeal, making it a hidden gem of Southeast Asian tropical fruits. Marang, Artocarpus odoratissimus, belongs to the Maraceae family, which also includes jackfruit and breadfruit. It is indigenous to the rainforests of Borneo, Palawan, and other parts of the Philippines. The tree is medium to large, reaching 15 to 20 meters in height, with dense foliage and a spreading canopy. Marang thrives in humid, tropical climates with consistent rainfall and well-drained soils, demonstrating moderate resistance to wind but sensitivity to prolonged drought. The fruit itself is round to oblong, usually 15 to 25 centimeters in diameter, covered with soft, spiky green skin. Inside, it contains creamy, segmented pulp that is sweet, aromatic, and slightly fibrous, reminiscent of a combination of jackfruit and durian, but milder and more delicate. Each segment surrounds a flat, inedible seed. The fruit emits a strong fragrance when ripe, which is a key attraction for both humans and wildlife. Historically, marang has been a staple in local diets for centuries. Indigenous communities in Palawan and Borneo traditionally consumed the pulp fresh, mixed it into desserts, or fermented it into beverages. Its aromatic qualities and high sugar content made it a prized fruit in local markets and cultural festivals. In addition to consumption, the tree's wood is used for furniture and construction, while leaves and other plant parts play roles in traditional medicine and local crafts. Nutritionally, marang is a source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, natural sugars, and antioxidants, providing energy, supporting immune health, and contributing to overall wellness. The fruit is calorie-dense due to its high carbohydrate content but offers a naturally sweet and satisfying taste without added sugar. Culinary uses extend beyond fresh consumption. Marang is incorporated into puddings, ice creams, jams, and tropical fruit salads, highlighting its versatility. Botanically, marang trees produce small, fragrant flowers that develop into fruit clusters. Pollination is primarily insect-driven, attracting bees, flies, and other tropical pollinators. The tree's canopy provides shelter for birds, insects, and small mammals, contributing to rainforest biodiversity. Due to its limited geographical range, marang remains relatively rare outside Southeast Asia, increasing its exotic appeal in global tropical fruit markets. Culturally, marang holds symbolic and practical value. In the Philippines, it is celebrated in local festivals, street markets, and home gardens, often considered a luxury fruit due to its rarity and short season. Its distinct aroma, creamy texture, and visual appeal make it a favorite for gourmets, tropical fruit collectors, and culinary innovators. The tree also contributes ecologically by stabilizing soil, supporting pollinators, and providing food for local wildlife. In summary, marang is more than an exotic tropical fruit, it is a sensory, ecological, and cultural treasure. Its aromatic pulp, nutritional value, and historical significance in Southeast Asia make it a standout among tropical fruits, offering both taste and storytelling in every bite.